In this video, let's go a little deeper on labels and annotations. What I have here in this drawing are two alignments, the crossing and an associated design profile. And I want to label the intersection of these two roads. More importantly, I want to label the intersection with the stationing of both roads. And we can do that with a single label. If I go to annotate and add labels, and I come down here to alignments, there's a station offset fixed point already built in. And I have a custom style called station labeled with name. And if I add that, I select my alignment and then I choose the point. And there we go. We've got a label with a station. But I want it to label the road name and the station for both. So how can we do that? Let's come over here and I'm going to take this style and we're going to copy the current and we're going to put in here in the brackets, we're going to put intersection. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to come over here to our layout, and up here we have our station offset and our marker that was already built in. We're going to add another reference text. And what the reference text allows us to do is to select multiple things. So let's add another reference text, and notice that I have these types of things and that I can add to the reference. So all the way from alignments to survey figures. Just imagine what you can do here. We're going to do alignment. We're going to give it a name. So let's call this Road 2 Station. Why not? And we're going to come down here to our label text. I'm going to put it anchored to station and offset, the first text. You can kind of see it, what it's doing over here. Let me zoom in a little. We're going to anchor it to the station offset. We're going to anchor it to the bottom left of it. And we're going to set our attachment to top left so that it's like that. Let's come over to our contents. And when I do this, because I chose alignment, these properties are all the alignment properties. So let's choose alignment name, and let's add it. Get rid of label text here. I'm going to come down and enter and align, and now let's do alignment station if I can find it. Station value. Input to 100th, and let's put right here, let's put STA colon space, and add it. And there we go. I'm going to hit OK. Now it's going to show the question marks here. It's going to do that until it has some data associated with it, but we've gotten it. So now we've got station offset, a marker, and road 2 stationing. So let's hit OK. And let's delete this label. And let's add that back in. Go to alignment, station offset fixed point. Let's do the with intersection, hit add. And you can see down here. So I choose this alignment and I choose the point. And now down here is select that alignment for the road 2 stationing. Choose this one and voila, I've got it. So got a little bit of formatting going on here. There we go. When I drag it, it's like that. So just that easily, one label, I got 2 stations. So you can do that with profiles and profile views as well. If I come over here and I want to do profile view and station and elevation. Whoops. And I think the default one is station and elevation here. That's the default. So when I hit add here, it's going to tell me choose a view, choose a station, choose an elevation. So now I can click here if I wanted to. Whoops. Choose somewhere along that. And it's going to place a label down here. So if you've ever done this and snapped to the wrong thing and I don't want it there, I want it at my profile, there's a way to get around that. So if I come to this style, let me open it up so you can see. So in here, under the, there's actually two separate components, a station and a profile elevation. And the profile elevation is assigned the profile elevation, not just elevation, profile elevation from this pull down. And what this label is going to do, now let's add this one, choose the view, choose a station. It's going to ask for an elevation, but I'm just going to click anywhere. And now it's going to say, choose the profile. So when I click this, it updated that elevation to represent the profile elevation at that station. And you can add another reference if you wanted to have the proposed and the existing all in one profile. So that's just a quick way that you can label more than one thing by using reference objects. And you saw all of those different types of references we have. So give some thought about things you could do with parcels and COGO points and stuff like that. That's it. If you like this, please click like and feel free to subscribe.